Welcome back, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, Healings Valley. Today, we're diving into an amazing topic: how the body code resolves hidden emotional blocks. Have you ever felt stuck in life, emotionally overwhelmed, or even experienced unexplained physical discomfort? Well, the answer might lie in trapped emotions and energy imbalances. The body code, developed by Dr. Bradley Nelson, is a powerful healing system that helps uncover and release these hidden emotional blocks, allowing your body and mind to restore balance and harmony. What are hidden emotional blocks? Hidden emotional blocks are unprocessed emotions from past experiences that get trapped in the body's energy field. These can stem from childhood trauma, negative experiences, or even inherited emotions from past generations. Over time, they can contribute to anxiety, depression, chronic pain, or relationship struggles. How does the body code work? The body code system works by communicating with the subconscious mind through muscle testing to identify and release these trapped emotions. Let's break it down into simple steps. Step 1. Identifying the trapped emotion using muscle testing. We ask the subconscious mind what emotion is stuck and where it's located. Step 2. Tracing the root cause. Was this emotion trapped in childhood? Did we inherit it from an ancestor? Was it caused by a specific event? By asking these questions, we bring awareness to the hidden emotional block. Step 3. Releasing the blocked energy. Once we identify the trapped emotion, we use magnet therapy along the governing meridian, the energy highway of the body, to release it. The magnet amplifies the intention of healing and clears the emotional energy, allowing the body to reset. Benefits of using the body code for emotional healing: relieves stress, anxiety, and emotional burdens. Improves physical health by restoring energetic balance. Releases generational trauma and inherited emotions. Enhances self-awareness and emotional resilience. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried energy healing? What emotions do you think might be holding you back? If you're ready to release hidden emotional blocks and experience deep healing, book a session with us today. Call us 178-675-37535. WhatsApp +61 777 11684, or visit our website www.healingsvalley.com.